Ever stop to wonder about the value of the digital assets floating around the crypto space? Specifically, have you ever asked yourself, just how much is one Beam wallet currency worth today? That's exactly what we're diving into in this video. Beam, as many of you know, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol. This technology offers confidential transactions, meaning the details of your transfers, the sender, receiver, and the amount, are kept private. This focus on privacy has garnered a dedicated community and makes Beam a unique player in the crowded cryptocurrency landscape. Now, getting to the heart of the matter, the price of Beam. Like most cryptocurrencies, the value of Beam is subject to constant fluctuations driven by a variety of factors. These can include overall market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies, adoption rates of the Beam platform, developments in its technology, regulatory news, and even broader economic trends. As of today, Tuesday, May 13, 2025, the price of one Beam can be found by checking major cryptocurrency exchanges and data aggregators. You'll typically see it quoted against major fiat currencies like the US dollar, euro, and sometimes other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's crucial to understand that this price is a snapshot in time. By the time you're watching this, the value could have shifted. It might be higher, lower, or remain relatively stable. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, so keeping an eye on real-time data is essential if you're interested in trading or understanding its current market capitalization. Beyond the immediate price, it's also helpful to consider the historical price performance of Beam. Looking at its price charts over weeks, months, and even years can provide valuable context. You might observe trends, identify periods of high volatility, and get a sense of its overall trajectory. However, past performance is never a guarantee of future results in the world of crypto. Several resources online can help you track the current and historical price of Beam. Reputable cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and KuCoin usually list Beam and provide real-time price feeds. Additionally, cryptocurrency data aggregators such as CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko offer comprehensive information, including price history, trading volume, market capitalization, and news related to Beam. When you're checking these sources, pay attention to the trading pair you're looking at. For example, the price of Beam/USD, Beam against US dollar, will likely be different from Beam/BTC, Beam against Bitcoin. Choose the pair that is most relevant to your interests. Furthermore, understanding the market capitalization of Beam can offer another perspective on its value and overall standing within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Market cap is calculated by multiplying the current price of one Beam by the total number of Beam coins in circulating supply. A higher market cap generally indicates a larger and potentially more stable cryptocurrency, although this is not always the case. Keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrencies, including Beam, carries significant risks. The price can drop as quickly as it rises, and you could potentially lose your entire investment. It's vital to do your own research, understand the technology and the market dynamics, and only invest what you can afford to lose. So, while I can't give you a definitive, unchanging number for the price of Beam right here and now, because it's constantly changing, I hope this explanation has equipped you with the knowledge of where to find that information and the factors that influence its value. Remember to always consult reliable and up-to-date sources for the most current price. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.